Well, we are extending geometric sequences. They have negatives and fractions involved. So it's the same idea, the second divided by the first kind of idea. I like just focusing a little bit farther on down the line when the numbers are larger or smaller like this, getting farther down. So that would be a 5 divided by negative 10, which 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice. So that turns into 1 over negative 2. And remember, it doesn't matter where the negative sign is. Could be on top, on bottom, or out in front. So we have a growth of negative 1/2, and we just want to confirm, does 20 times negative 1/2 make 10? And yes, it does. So 5 divided, or 5 times negative 1/2, it multiplies to the top. So that would be negative 5 over 2. All right. Negative 5 divided by 2. All right, and the next one, we got fractions going on, so not a problem. We'll go ahead and use that same. I'll go ahead and look for do the second divided by first. So that would be negative 4 over 3 divided by 4 over 9. So fraction over a fraction. I always like writing it like this, and my trick is I remember that this middle bar, I make that into a divide sign. So this is really negative 4 over 3 divided by 4 over 9. And what that does is it just lets me put it in a different way that's a little bit easier to deal with. So let's go ahead and we'll deal with it that way now. So I cannot divide fractions. I can only multiply. So negative 4 over 3 times 9 over 4. And I'll go ahead and reduce at this step. Everything on top is on top. Everything on bottom is on bottom. So it's like this is all a big multiply, big fraction bar with multiply. So the 3 goes into 9 3 times. 4 goes into 4 once. This all turns into negative 3. So looks like we're just multiplying by negative 3 here each time. So that means this next entry is going to be negative 12. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. All right, and so the trick is just doing a later entry divided by the previous entry when doing these geometric sequences. So just break it down into a formula. That way you're not stuck trying to twist your brain what's happening here. And same idea.